Hey everybody, it's me Nancy, Two Crazy Friends Cooking. Today I feel like doing a little bit of cooking. My partner's not here today, she's taking care of her mom, but we're going to have some good recipes today. Let's have some fun and do some good cooking. Come along. Okay, I got my red potatoes that I've already cut up into bite-sized chunks. I'm going to place them in this big bowl right here. See, they're in this big bowl. I'm going to add my salt, my pepper, I've got some onions here that I've been soaking in water. In case you don't know, if you soak your onions in cold water and then drain them, it keeps them crisp and it keeps them from smelling so bad. So let me go rinse these off. Okay, I got about half a cup of onions already chopped that I'm going to add to these red potatoes. Okay, then I got my extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to sprinkle it all over my potatoes. Just so. I got my oven on 375, heating up. I got my crushed garlic, and I'm going to put 2 big helpings of crushed garlic in there. And I like the garlic that's in the can, so y'all might want to try this. Alright, then I got my Mrs. Dash seasoning, and this is herb and garlic. And what you want to do with it is you want to just sprinkle it all over these potatoes, and I use a good bit. Okay, then I got my butter. I'm going to take and cut my butter in strips. And just take and just chunk off my butter in it, just like this. I like a good bit of butter and stuff in mine. Makes them taste better with all that onion and garlic and olive oil. Okay, I'm going to take my butter and I'm going to get me a spoon, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to stir all this together just like this. So I get all that garlic seasoning, the butter, the olive oil, the onions, get everything coated with that olive oil. Just like this. Now I'm lucky enough to have a pepper shelf rock that I like to cook on. And it's from Pepper Shelf. I'm going to take these potatoes and I'm going to pour them right on this Pepper Shelf rock. Just like so. Now get all that oil and all that butter and all that good stuff all spread out in this pan, just like this. Now, like I said, my oven is on 375. I'm going to put this in the oven and cook them until they get tender. And they will be so good. And they will be so good when they come out. Okay, so next what we're going to do, while our red potatoes and our garlic and our onions are cooking, we're going to make some fried chicken breast. And I've got my chicken breast soaking in buttermilk. I've got my eggs all mixed up. And I got my flour to put my chicken in when I get done. And my pan is a-heating. So let's get ready making this chicken. Okay, I got my chicken in my buttermilk. Then I'm going to dig in my egg mixture. And then I'm going to do it in my flour. Just like this. And if you want to do it more than one time, you can. Sometimes I do to make it crispier. So let's dunk it one more time in the egg mixture. And then we'll put it back in the flour. Now you see how that looks? I always shake it off. See that look? Oh, and the pan's just right, starting to sizzle. Okay, do the same thing over here. Buttermilk, egg mixture. Kind of shake the egg mixture off a little bit. Flour. Just like this. Put it right there in that frying pan. And these are thin chicken breasts. They're not real thick. So I didn't have to beat them or anything. But this is the way they are. And I kind of like them like that. Because they don't take that much long to cook. Just keep doing this over and over till you get all your chicken coated good. And this is a pretty big batch of chicken that I got here. Just like this. Keep doing it over and over till you get all of it. I may not be able to get all of it in this pan at one time, so I'll just get what I can. Alright, I'm going to go right here and wash my hands off, and I'll be right back. Now, what I always do with my chicken when it's a frying, I get my paprika and I sprinkle some paprika over it, just like that, to give it that color. Now let's look at it while it's frying. See how good that looks? I love me some chicken. The funny thing about chicken, and I laugh about this all the time, is I think how it was back in the olden days. And I think, what if I had to get out, chase a chicken, which would be awful hard for me with my 2 knee replacements, my broken ankle, chase the chicken, and then catch him, wring his neck. Now you gotta wring his neck good. And then I have to pluck him and cut his head off. Now all the rest of it don't sound too bad to me, but to cut his head off and to pluck him with all that feathers, that sounds pretty bad to me. Then I gotta cut him up and wash him real good and cook him. Now I don't know about y'all, but that's a whole lot of work to go into frying some chicken. What you think? I'd rather have it like it is, just go to the store and buy it, and then fry it up and cook it. Let's check on it. Now that chicken is looking good up in that pan. Let me tell you something. You want it to get real crisp. Because it's thin, it ain't going to take as much time, but we'll get it real crisp on one side, and then we'll turn it and get it real crisp on the other side. Now I'm going to just flip our chicken over. Oh, yes. Look how good that looks. Flip it over. Ooh. That looks so good. And smells so good. I don't know if y'all can smell them potatoes and garlic in the oven, but I wish y'all could, because they are smelling good also. Doing me some cooking up in here today, people. I think you're going to like it. Okay, everybody, I'm back. I want y'all to look at this good old fried chicken. Oh my goodness. We're going to have fun eating that. It is so crispy and crunchy. And I got my biscuits made. And a lot of you's already seen how to make my biscuits, the recipe that I got. But I got them butter on top and ready to go in the oven. And let's look in at the potatoes. Oh yeah, they're looking good. So it won't be long, y'all. We're going to get to sink our teeth into some of this good food. Y'all, I just couldn't help it. I had to have me a taste of this chicken. Oh, Lord. This is some good chicken. Listen to this crunch. I tell you what, too. Sometimes I just slap myself silly at how good this food tastes. Y'all got to try this recipe. It is delicious. Now, y'all know crazy stuff happens around here all the time. My goodness gracious. I think I'm getting a headache. Now, I'm telling y'all, crazy stuff happens all the time. You never know when to expect it. I don't know what's happened here. Good gracious, oh my